Good morning, sir. My name is Azad, pursuing final year BTech in the stream of Electrical and Electronics Engineering. Today, my topic is what are the different types of energy audits? Types of energy audits. Before going to study the types of energy audits, we have a overlook about the energy audits and its methodology. Energy audit is the key of systematic approach for decision making in the area of energy management. It means it attempts to balance the total energy inputs with its use and serves to identify energy streams in a facility. It means we are keeping a set of record about the energy utilization, generation and consuming, how we are maintaining a record under the as per the Energy Conservation Act 2001. Energy audit is defined as a verification, monitoring and analyzing of use of energy, including submission of technical report containing the recommendations for improving energy efficiency with cost benefit analysis and an action to plan to reduce energy consumptions. These are the brief introduction about the energy audit and definition of the energy audit. Now we are going to see the type of energy audits. Types of energy audits to be performed depend on function and type of industry, depth to which final audit is needed, and potential and magnitude of cost reduction desired. Thus, energy audit can be classified into three types. Two types: preliminary audit and detailed audit. Preliminary energy audit methodology is very cleared about another two energy audits, that is nothing but targeted and detailed. Preliminary energy audit is a relatively quick exercise to establish energy consumption in the organization. It means how much energy is consumed by the organization. It is maintaining the record. Next, coming to second point, estimate the scope of saving. How much have been saved, whether it may be cost or the energy. Identify the most likely. It means the easiest area for attention. Identify immediate. It means especially no low cost improvements savings. Set a reference point. Identify areas for more detailed study and measurement. In this one, we are going to have a record about the energy which is generated and transmitted and utilized under the Energy Conservation Act of 2001. Energy audit is an effective tool, so that's why we are going to have a reference point among that. Identify the areas for more detailed study or measurement. Preliminary energy audit uses easily obtained data. Preliminary energy means which is starting stage of the energy audit methodology. At the starting stage, we are taking the data which is obtained easily. Next one, targeted energy audit. Targeted energy audit is nothing but mostly based upon the outcome of preliminary audit results. By studying preliminary audit, what are the results that are mentioned by the preliminary auditor, and its study is nothing but targeted energy audit. They provide data and detailed analysis on the specific targeted projects. If a company is given any set of projects, in a manner we are giving a 200 volts to a factory, to a small scale factory or small scale industry, how much the power utilization is happen and how much the cost of our bill is rising, is all are maintained in that is nothing but targeted energy audit. As an example, an organization may target it's an lighting system or boiler system or compressed air system. Targeted audits therefore involved detailed surveys of the target subject areas with analysis of the energy flows. and cost associated with those targets are very cleared manner. Now coming to the detailed energy audit methodology, the comprehensive audit provides a detailed energy project implementation plan for a facility since it evaluates our major energy using system. This type of audits offers the most accurate estimate of energy saving and cost. It considers the interactive efforts of all the projects, accounts for the energy use of major equipment, and includes detailed energy cost saving calculations and project cost. In comprehensive audit, one of the key elements is the energy balance. Here, the main theme of the energy audit is to maintain the energy balance. This is based on the inventory of energy using system, assumptions of current operating conditions, and calculations of the energy use. This estimated use is the compared to utility bill charges. Detailed energy audit is carried out in the three phases like phase 1, phase 2 and phase 3. Pre-audit phase, post-audit phase. Phase 1, pre-audit phase. Pre-audit phase is going to discuss about the site senior management aims of the energy audit. Next one, discuss the economic guidelines associated with the recommendations of audit, analyzing the major energy consumption data with relevant personnel. Obtain the site drawings where available, building layout and stream distribution, compressed air distribution, electricity distribution, etc. And finally, tour the site accompanied by the engineers or production. The main aims of to visit the pre-phase audit is nothing but finalizing energy audit team and maintaining main energy and identifying the infrastructure to design the many meters installed in the prior to the audit. And next we are planning some frame to collect the macro dams of then to create the awareness. Next, while coming to the second phase, detailed energy audit activities, it will be completely depending on the nature complexity, like a plan of actions and purposes and how the results were going to develop. Energy consumption by the type of energy by the departments of major items of process equipment by the end of use, by end use technologies and by the end use methodologies are implemented in the second phase audit. That is nothing but material balanced data, energy cost and tarific data, process and material flow diagrams, generation and distribution of site services, source of energy supply, potential for fuel substitutions, process modifications and use of co-engineering, co-generation systems, and that is provided by combination heat and the power generations, energy management procedures and energy awareness training programs within the establishment. These all parameters comes under the second phase of the energy audit activities with the cleared and different technologies and with cleared and different methodologies. We are having phase 1 pre-audit phase and phase 2 audit phase as mentioned in the step 1, step 2, step 3 and step 4, and step 5 and step 6 comes under the pre-phase audit. It's 3, pre-phase audit 3. That means it can be called as post-phase audits also. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.